I'd shoot him.
What?
Well, I'd try to shoot him.
Yes, sir?
Give me another drink.
I'm sorry, sir.
I
think you've had enough.
I
Now
want
look
a
what you've
drink.
done to me. Just
Give me
hands
another
off
drink.
me.
You can't solve everything with a gun.
But my bazooka's in the trunk.
Stop it!
I want another drink. I'm gonna kill you.
Hold it! It's a 2-drink minimum.
You know, I think you could have shown a little sympathy.
I was gonna send a card to his next of kin.
I just don't understand you, Hammer. You're so violent.
Not always. Let's get those geeks. We'll set our guns for stun.
Guns don't have a setting for stun.
Well, that's their tough luck.
Wait a minute, Hammer. Something's wrong here. I think these are the cars the FBI uses.
Great. We'll bust them for car theft, too. That's what they're gonna look like when I'm through with them. All right, freeze, rodents! Drop the weapons. Come on, drop them. Come on, on the floor. Let's go.
Merci, monsieur. Merci.
You try to kiss me on the cheek and I'll shoot you.
Who the hell
Come
are
on,
you?
come on, hands on the wall. Come on, spread them. Come on, way back, way back.
Come on, ease up, will you? Just what do you plan to do with us?
I'm gonna knock you down, beat you up, read you your rights, and then I'm gonna beat you up again.
You're a cop? We're from the FBI.
I'm telling you, that frog you just let go is an international counterfeiter.
Not so fast. Let me see some identification.
Let's see your badge.
I got, I don't... I must have forgot to pick it up when I got off suspension. I am a detective. I really am. I have a gun.
Been printing your own money, have you?
I did not know it was illegal. It's just a hobby.
Come on, let's go.
Detective Doro has suffered a mild concussion. You can see her, but you have to be very quiet. She's suffered a nasty shock today.
Why, did you find out you graduated medical school in Grenada?
Excuse me.
She's asleep.
I'll wake her up.
Hammer, this is a hospital, for God's sake. It's a hospital.
I know. I was gonna use a silencer.
Doro.
Doro. I have some good news for you. If you no longer wish to partner with this brainless juggernaut of destruction, I will assign you a new partner.
I don't want a new partner, Captain. I want Hammer. He's the only one who can help me get those scum suckers.
Come, sucker. Hammer, we have to leave. She's obviously very, very sick. Very sick.
Oh, what is this, a luau?
Oh, lighten up, Inspector. We all signed this card for Dori, and we left a space for you.
Yeah, well, forget it, lady. I showed her I care in my own special way. I shot at the guy who was trying to park in her spot.
Hammer, what the hell are you belly aching about now?
This isn't the precinct. This is Pee-wee's Playhouse. Who was the mental midget who thought this dumb thing up?
It was my idea, Hammer.
Oh. Well. Oh, what's the big deal? She's not coming back from the dead. Look at this. Cookies, cakes, cards. We're cops, not caterers. Hey, where's the clown? Yeah, well, while you guys are in here turning this precinct into the Playboy Mansion, I was on the streets breaking my hump trying to crack this counterfeit case.
Did you get any leads?
Heck no.
Quiet, everybody! Quiet! Quiet! Dori's coming!
Enough hoopla.
Dori, it's good to have you back.
What the hell's going on here? This isn't a precinct, it's Pee-wee's Playhouse.
Doro, you're inside now. Would you please take off those sunglasses?
What sunglasses?
Hey, Doro, I think you've been hanging around Hammer too long.
My jaw.
Oh, well. It's not a party unless somebody breaks something.
Doro, I think it'd be a good idea if you took a week off.
I just took a week off.
Take another one!
I can't. I got a foreign slime ball to catch.
If everyone acted like her, the world would be a better place.
Hammer, I've got some bad news.
What?
I'm afraid that blow to Detective Doro's head has caused a behavioral imbalance. She's become excessively violent, irrational, and dangerous.
That happened to me once, the day I was born.
She's acquired these aggressive traits through constant exposure to a negative personality.
Oh, you lead-headed quack, that's ridiculous. She spends all her time with me.
Hammer, you don't understand. She has acquired the violent characteristics of a man she sees every day.
Yeah. Now all we have to do is find him.
It's you. You're the one. It's you.
You talking to me or to the doctor?
How long is she going to be this way?
There's just no way of knowing in cases like these.
Hammer, if she is acting like you, what do you think she might be right now?
I don't know, Captain. Lots of places I spend my time. Mud wrestling, cockfights, the taxidermy shop. There's this guy. Anything that's dead, he'll stuff. And I
She's on a case!
On the case, right. The case. Well, let's see. The counterfeiter was working downtown. I know an informant in that area. Works in a tattoo parlor, but no. Any woman who walks in there would be eaten alive. Don't worry, Doro. I'll save you.
Take your time.
Very good, Doro. Very good. But you gotta follow through with that backhand. Follow through.
All right, Stooley, we want some information.
Hey, don't blow my cover. And wait your turn.
There's a guy around here printing some funny money, and we want to know where to find the creep.
I said wait your turn.
I'm losing my patience with you, eggplant.
Geez, I didn't know you had a sister, Sledge.
I don't.
Then I got nothing to say to you.
Yeah? Let's take out his teeth. You work on his uppers, I'll take out his lowers.
All right. I'll tell you. The only counterfeit money around is coming from a check cashing joint downtown.
Where is it?
It's not an easy place to find, and it's in a pretty rough neighborhood. I better draw you a map. You got any paper on you? Okay. Take 5th to Broadway, down to Central, and it's right there.
Why can't we just take a shortcut? You're here.
Because that is a one-way street.
Look, instead of taking Broadway, why don't we take 5th and then make a right on this side street right there?
That's not a side street, that's a birthmark.
Oh. All right. Come on, road map. You're coming with us.
Next.
Now, that thing shouldn't be on the street.
Get out, come on.
I take a long walk off a short pier, freak.
Place looks pretty rough, Doro. I think you better stick close to me.
Move it, Flapjack, or I'll shove my fist down your throat and break your ribs from the inside.
Whoa, Doro. You kiss your mother with that mouth?
Looks like you're doing a lot of business. Weasel.
We're running a special. 1 week only. You give us $1, we give you $1.50.
How can you afford that?
We make it up in volume.
Yeah? Can you break a 45?
Oh, that's a good line, Doro. I'm gonna remember that.
We want to talk to the man who supplies you the money.
All right. He's gonna call me at the phone booth out in front. But why would he want to talk with you?
Because without me, he's out of business.
Holy cow.
You know, you better find another line of work, pal, or you're gonna end up behind bars.
I already am behind bars.
Maggot.
So we had the greatest time. Yeah, you're so
Dang women always yakking on the phone.
Yeah.
right, I do. So guess what I said?
Your 3 minutes are up!
Doro, I don't know what you ate, but I want some.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got the...
Yeah.
Hammer, how's the road?
Are you kidding? She's doing great. She just put her hand through a telephone booth. You should have seen it. I mean, this woman was taking too long, right? And, I mean, right through the glass. Unbelievable.
I want you and Doro to come into the precinct immediately. And I want you to make sure she does not get killed. It's okay if you do.
Who are you talking to?
Captain.
Yeah, what's wrong with that pencil pusher? Get a paper cut?
I heard that, Doro. These 2 men want to ask you some questions.
Why'd they lose their way to Brooks Brothers?
Inspector Hammer, if I were you, I would not be quite so jejune.
Give me a dictionary. I'm gonna find out what you just said, and then I'm gonna clobber you with it.
Inspector, we've got no time for vulgar banter. We've got new evidence against Jean-Claude Baptiste.
You know him, the counterfeiter, who's free, thanks to you.
Oh, yeah. Maurice Chevalier.
He's still printing money, but one of his plates are missing.
What makes you so sure?
Take a look at this.
So far, he's only been able to pawn these off on unintelligent people.
I guess that's how you got a hold of it.
Cut the jokes, Hammer. We know you're a renegade, and we think you took the other printing plate.
Don't be ridiculous, you seersuckers.
Detective, perhaps you could have a word with your partner.
Sure. Nice going, Hammer.
Miss, he could be in serious trouble if he's withholding evidence.
He hasn't got the plate. I do.
Doro, you better give these men what they want.
Come on.
No way.
Why should she?
These guys aren't even cops.
They're zombies. You think
these guys can crack this case?
Get serious, Captain.
Enough! I can't stand stereo hammers. It gives me a double migraine.
Doro, if you don't cooperate with the FBI, I have no other choice but to put you on suspension.
Fine. Here's my badge. Adios.
I'll give you mine too, Captain. Just as soon as I find it. Look, Doro, I'm sorry. I didn't mean for you to get put on suspension.
I can still catch crooks. I just don't have to do the paperwork.
Yeah. But you had a perfect record. It was clean, it was tidy, it was spotless.
You're making me sound like a wimp.
I want another drink.
Mister, we've been through this before.
Come
You
on,
can't
lady.
No, I'm
Come
sorry.
on, I said I want another drink.
I'll get you some coffee.
No,
Just give me another drink. Just give
no,
me.
why not?
All right, listen, Highball. I'm gonna teach you that drinking and drinking don't mix.
Hammer! Let him go.
Oh, lady, thank God you were here.
It's my turn to beat him up.
Now, wait a minute, Doro. I saw him first.
So what?
I said I saw him first.
Be a man, Hammer.
I never thought I'd say this, but I wish you were your old self again.
Hammer, sometimes you make me sick. All right, you can have the cheese log. I'm gonna go put a dime in the meter.
There's something wrong with her.
You're telling me.
There aren't any meters out there.
She gave me the slip. You see? You can't trust a woman, even when she acts like a man.
Ah, bonsoir, madame.
Hello, dog breath.
You are such a beautiful woman, but you speak like a pig.
Put a sock on it, fuzzball. So you're still working out at your old place.
It's the perfect hideout. Only a fool would look for me here. Besides, tonight I'm packing up my counterfeiting operation and moving to Kansas under a new alias, Jean-Claude Smith.
Yeah? What's this?
Ah, the first dollar I ever made. Of course, I cannot make anything until you give me my printing plate, huh? And I'm prepared to pay quite a bit of money for it. Real money, of course.
Don't worry. You'll get what's coming to you. You creep, Suzette.
Now, my dear, I'm afraid you are going to get what's coming to you.
Okay, Doro, load up. There's slime balls afoot.
Oh, my head. Where am I?
Oh, great! Now that I need you to be me, you're you again. Come on, come on, up. Doro, shoot your gun.
Right.
tailed you here, Hammer. Lucky for you.
I knew you two was tailing, Hammer, so we followed you here.
Well, nobody else shows up. It's getting crowded back here.
Inspector McCall, Scotland Yard.
What are you doing here?
Just came in to buy my wife a painting. My word, it's Jean-Claude Baptiste. He's been wanted by Interpol for years. Mr. Baptiste, would you kindly step forward here, please? Stretch your hands out, please. Towards me. I arrest you in the name of the Queen.
Thank God, this is over.
Oh, it's good to have you acting like yourself again.
What do you mean?
Well, for the past couple of days, you've been acting just like me. A little too much like me.
What? What did I do?
You withheld evidence.
You called us zombies.
You called me a pencil pusher.
You slugged me.
Trust me, I didn't know what I was doing.
It's good to have you back, Doro. And back to normal. One hammer on the force is more than enough.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Hammer. No, really, thank you for saving my life.
Yeah.
Oh, I have something for you.
Oh, what is this? Oh, ties. Well, yeah, good. Oh, Battle of the Green Berets. I have this already.
Oh.
Thank you.
Yeah, well, I bought it when I was acting like you, I guess.
All right. Enough philanthropy. Why don't you two get back on the street and start busting scum suckers?
Scum suckers, Captain?
Oh, my God.